Hello and welcome to Sparkling Nail Studio with Sarah. Today I'm going to do a fun fall pedicure, and the next time I air a video it'll be a manicure that matches, so those are always fun to do. So I'm starting out here with Floral Obligation, and I'm just going to cut it. Let's hope this works out. Let's see, let's cut it just like that. And I thought about using this for my other foot, but then you won't have, like, I like my sides to mirror each other, so they would both be, towards my left, whereas I like them to be like the flowers like this. So I'll just use it. I had the idea, I'm like, oh, I can just use it on my other toe, so you'll see that here. The only tricky part is getting this off of here without that silver tab. Here, let's do the silver tab side. Deal with that in a second. Okay, so we're just gonna, let's take the silver tab off because I want to have as much of the flowers on there as I can because there's not a ton. So let's try that. And hopefully I can get that wrinkle smoothed out. Yep, smoothed right out. You have to forgive, I have some toenail damage right here, you can see, and I'm pretty sure that's because when I first started using, was it when I was using Pedi? Yes, I was using a metal tool to take it off, and I have since learned, use wood on your nails because it will scratch the nail, damage that top layer, and now, that's going to take a long time to grow because your toenails grow slowly, much slower than your fingernails. Okay, and then let's see, we can probably just cut the edge straight. This is Majestic Mahogany, a gorgeous one from a sub box, and it just stood out to me when I was looking through my collection. I was intrigued by the deep glitter. It's very like coppery, but almost like an orange. Very fun for fall. Hey, when I've left a gap there, darn it. I was worried for a second that I had over perforated there, but I didn't. Yay. I was about to be like, man, I am not winning. See, I should have kept that little flat bit. I still see it in my little spot where I'm throwing my partials. Not my partials, my trash. So we'll just, it's a glitter, so it should blend just fine. As long as I can. There we go. And that I'll kind of clean up in a bit. Okay, so we're going to use this other. So I may not actually need that strip. I had that set aside at first when I thought I was going to do that there. But then I can just cut that strip for my other big toe. And, oh, is that going to work though? I don't know, I'll figure out something. Maybe it'll still have to be sideways. Can that, I feel like that can cover it there. Oh, if I like stick it down straight, geez. Just stuck it down like, wait, well, I guess that wasn't really big enough because I've got a gap right there. Maybe I'll just, guys, okay, we're just gonna go for the strip. I'm trying to be economical. Let's try. There we go, much better. I have a few other have more strips left, so I'll still have plenty to do my other foot. Okay, and then got my smallest strips that I have left of Majestic Mahogany. We're just gonna finish out the rest of these toes with. Get a little sparkle. And this is probably still enough for my little toe here. These little toes go so fast. There we go. Okay, fabulous. Now, I'm just going to try to clean up some edges just a little bit. And they always look better after they cure. Okay, there you go, and watch out for the video coming up. The next one I air, we'll do the matching pedicure that goes with it. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a great week, and I hope to catch you out on the next one. We'll see you later.